back in another new place. You know what, this is relatively new too, so... Oh, would you look at that? I should probably go in. Nice lobby, actually. This is pretty nice. A little bland, though. Okay. I will take that back. Nice room. I like this. Wonder what Amazon gets behind that stage. Actually, I could probably just go look after I find my office. What, is this my office? Oh, that must be the animatronic that's behind there. Cool. Okay, so a flashlight. What? Oh, food. Okay, food. Good. Keep that. The tablet. Cool. Oh, it's so chilly. God. That was so chilly. It's near. Is this? Campus. I'll turn that on. I wonder what's actually in. What the fuck was that? Why can I suddenly see the power left? Why? You know what? Never mind that. Never mind. I'm just gonna go. I'm just gonna go down here. Well, that's cool. Let's open up the tablet. I should probably take a look. Wonder why that's broken. Yeah, someone will probably fix it. Yeah. Wonder what's in here. Yeah, I should probably. Wow. Anything in these? No. Nothing there. Exit. Fire exit. Good to know. That's really good to know. That's the manager's office. I don't want to snoop around in there. Someone left this open, so I'm just gonna leave it open. Don't wanna make sure. Don't wanna upset the other employees. What's in this area? A walk-in kitchen that shows a kitchen too. Cool. But I think this animatronic is displaying a show or something. there's a... Stop flaming those again. Look at me, I have this tissue in my pocket. Okay, there we go. Probably explore the rest before I explore that. Oh, there's also 2 plushies over there. That's cute. Then I'm pretty sure that's the puppet showing thingy. Yeah. And then... old ass animatronics. Is this like a prototype that failed? Probably exploded because there's this here, there's this here. So I'm guessing this was a prototype that probably exploded. There's the other 2. I don't know. There's a arm there. There's a chest there. They have security cameras watching over this place. None of this works. So that means they're just permanently on performance mode. Great. I guess since they're moving, they just don't do anything. So yeah. Yeah, whatever. I should probably turn off the lights. Now I'm seeing why they gave me this flashlight. I should probably replace that. There's... let me see it. Yep. I'm surprised I'm strong enough to even just lift this stuff. I should probably get going before it turns night. Alright! First night. Let's go. What is that sound? Oh! I thought they didn't move! What? What are those things? I don't know what those things are. I should probably... Yeah, I know. I can still see it from this camera. I can still see it from this camera. I think I'm supposed to wind that. Aren't I? Oh no. I should probably go wind it. Probably run. Close the door. Oh, it's already up. No. What am I doing? I tripped. Nope. No, 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 no. Not doing that, not doing that. No, no, absolutely not. How am I supposed to wind that thing if I can't even do it? If I can't even wind it? Oh god, that's bright. This way. I should probably do right hall. See is there. Okay, so let me try that again. Let me try that. I can't even wind that thing, bro. Why? No, no, no. No, no. No. No, please, no, please. Is there, is he there, is he there, is he there? I don't know, I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. Doesn't R&D have... No, no, it doesn't, no. No, no, that... We just had the... hallway manager, I guess. I closed that. Crap. No! Why does he only have a table there? No! Nope! 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 No! 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 Oh! 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 Is this door open? No! What am I supposed to do? Go up! Go up! Go up! Go up! No! Oh my god, no. Holy crap, I had a mini heart attack right there. Okay, so obviously that door is open. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Run, run. Okay, it's too dark. I can't see. Run, 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 run. You know what? I'm not even gonna bother. I'm not even gonna bother. Close. Oh. Oh, right hallway, right hallway, right hallway. Right hallway. Yeah. Main room, main room. Nightmare stage? Oh, thank God, thank God. No, no, no. No. Wait, if I recall correctly, there was a PC up there. Doesn't that PC control a pressure can change the settings in there, so then it does 480. Okay, go. Okay, that's closed. I don't think that one. I don't even think this one works. Yeah, no, it doesn't work. Don't even think this old CRT monitor works. No, it doesn't. So let's get into this. Which one was it? I think it was main room. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was main room. And then, oh, it's disabled. So just, it's really simple actually, which surprises me, but not. Oh, it just puts me in. Let's go to rotation range. Can I change this with the keyboard? No, I can't. Let's do. And I'm pretty sure I can't go higher than that, so let's try this again. Yeah, no. So I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to go to back, then press X on this, and then turn it off. So, one sec. Let me check where everyone is. Okay, so go to no. Right now, I'm pretty sure we'll start doing a full 180. Yeah. Yeah. Do we still need to check so that it's safe for me, for myself to go down? Pretty sure it goes 180 in both directions. If not, then there might be a negative option. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does go 180 in both directions. They should really change this camera, I think. Yeah, that gives me more of an advantage. I think lowering it a bit shouldn't get management on my ass. So Don't even know what time it is. I forgot to check the time. Because they all start at like night. Like 7 p.m. Um, I feel like something like 80 to 85 degrees would be fine. Probably think one of maintenance did it. If I should be fine. Okay. Should probably actually check. Where the animatronics are. Mainly. Left hallway. Should be clear. Run. Close. I am not taking any. I'm not taking any risks. Let's do the main room again. This time it shouldn't be as hard, so there's a 90-degree angle. It's only 10 p.m. When will it be 1? Who is the one you should not have killed? This is kind of random. I actually should have done Nightmare Stage. You know what? Okay, let's go. So, Nightmare Stage. Make sure it rotates 90 degrees. Because, man, that corner is like really hard to see. So, main stage, left hallway, main room. I should just disable auto rotation. So, back. Nightmare Stage. Enable. Edge. No. Yeah, let's put it up to 90 real quick. Now we go back, which great. God, this computer takes so long. Okay, let's check. My birth stage should now have the auto rotation. Yes. So main room camera is still useful, and main stage camera is still useful. Maybe have to boot it up to 100 because it's not going that far. Actually, no, it goes far enough. So no one's there. Okay, I'm so glad. Puppet show. I should really go do that. Run, run, run. No, no, you didn't see nothing. You didn't see nothing. Come on, come on. Come on, please. Please. Come on. Come on. Wind. Wind. Close it. Because now I have to get back to office. Let's go. What happened? What happened? What happened? Oh. How am I not dead? I don't know. I just want to get home. Wait, I don't hear voice lines anymore. Oh my god, wait. Is it daytime? That's daytime! Oh my god, finally I can leave. Not without turning on the lights first, or else my bosses will be mad at me. God, I get so many. Fucking hate you. I better open this before Cobra gets mad at me. I just have to put this stuff away. You know what, I need bonks of encouragement right now. That, give me it. Yeah. I'm keeping the food. The food is useful. God, it's chewy. finally I can go home. I swear I had a heart attack. I can't. I need to go home. Okay, it's just that way. I'm so tired.